Starting around 25 November 2023, Star Chart Book Dow for the most part certainly is exchanging at $0.3543 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.53% in every way that really matters, genuinely most recent 60 minutes, or so they most certainly truly thought. Polis for the most part has an in every way that really matters, lovely all-out market cap of $83,683,598 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $823,034, which truly is very huge. This very all goals and purposes makes Star Map Book Dow, Polis, especially positioning at 340 in the digital currency market in a huge way. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what actually explicitly is the Star Chart Book Dow cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Map Book Dow essentially in a real sense be especially worth in 2023, which really is genuinely huge? Is Star Chart Book Dow a fundamentally wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Polis cost fundamentally generally outperform its record-breaking sort of high in an unobtrusive manner? These basically in a real sense are our Star Chart Book Dow cost expectations for Polis's future, which truly is very critical. Star Map Book Dow, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Chart Book Dow conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost really is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of $0.3579. The normal truly least value worth of Star Chart Book Dow toward the finish of the genuinely lovely current year ought to in a real sense be $0.3412 in a quite large manner. Besides, Polis can by and large arrive at a kind of exceptionally greatest value level of $0.3785, showing how especially is Star Chart Book Dow a truly wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Map Book Dow value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Star Chart Book Dow in a real sense is supposed to generally be at around and in every practical sense, least of $0.3209 in a by and large especially significant manner. Star Chart Book Dow cost can fundamentally arrive at a truly limit of $0.3610, with the by and large most certainly normal cost of $0.3509 in United States dollars, which entirely all goals and purposes shows that Star Chart Book Dow, Polis, value expectation 2023, as per the Star Map Book Dow gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost in every practical sense is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $0.3579, the normal by and large least value worth of Star Chart Book Dow toward the finish of the especially current year ought to especially be $0.3412, or so they outrageously thought. Star Map Book Dow, Polis, value gauge December 2023. The Star Chart Book Dow, Polis, cost for December 2023 may generally arrive at a reasonably especially least worth of $0.3412, while the kind of most extreme determined cost by and large is around $0.3785, genuinely further appearance how Star Map Book Dow, Polis, value conjecture December 2023. The Star Map Book Dow, Polis, cost for December 2023 may especially arrive at an entirely least worth of $0.3412, while the genuinely sort of greatest estimated cost certainly is around $0.3785, which by and large sort of is very huge. The kind of typical cost for Polis generally is truly anticipated to for the most part reach $0.3579 in December 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. Star Map Book Dow essentially fundamentally passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been explicitly diminished by 0.06% in its truly current worth, or so they essentially thought amazingly. Assuming that we by and large look at the especially current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, showing that these basically are our Star Map Book Dow cost expectations for Polis's future in a for the most part huge manner. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the Polis basically was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 16.11%, showing how the truly normal cost for Polis generally especially is certainly anticipated to essentially reach $0.3579 in December 2023, which truly is very critical. Star Map Book DAO for the most part truly has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to really in every practical sense dive right in and contribute. Showing how starting around 25 November 2023 Star Chart Book DAO certainly is exchanging at $0.3543 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.53% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the very beautiful current cost and in every practical sense, exceptionally beyond 30 days cost history, it in a real sense is seen that Star Map Book DAO all things considered has expanded 28.598% in its worth, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The very normal least cost for the month sort of is $0.2320, while truly most extreme especially normal cost fundamentally basically was $0.2530, so will Polis cost in every practical sense outperform its record-breaking pretty high in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. This infers that this coin truly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to especially your arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul, which truly shows that Polis sort of has a really all-out market cap of $83,683,598 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $823,034, which especially is genuinely huge. Star Map Book DAO Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will be Star Map Book DAO sort of worth in 2023? Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Polis cost generally is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $0.3785, with essentially least cost of $0.3412 toward the finish of 2023. So in the event that we for the most part look at the sort of current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can essentially for the most part see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down. Exhibiting that these basically are our Star Map Book DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, or so they essentially thought in an unpretentious manner. Star's Chart Book DAO really have a future, which essentially is genuinely huge. As far as value, Star Map Book DAO certainly has an exceptional potential to sort of in every way that really matters, arrive at new levels, showing how this in a real sense makes Star Map Book DAO, Polis, genuinely positioning at 340 in the digital money market, which generally is genuinely huge. It truly generally is conjecture that Polis will increment in esteem, certainly further appearance, how Polis really has an exceptionally complete market cap of $83,683,598 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $823,034 in an especially significant manner incredibly. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners, Star Chart Book DAO can sort of raised a ruckus around town the in a real sense, the greatest cost of $0.0150 till